So setting off on day 14. There we go, what a gorgeous day after such a few days of cloud. Pretty cold last night, it's about minus 20 when we went to bed, but it only dropped about minus 23. So still cold, but not super cold. Ice all over the tent this morning, but with the sun, it was all dripping down on us. But everybody's feeling great. And looking forward to charging all of our solar panels because we're all running pretty low. I'll go here so you can see everybody setting off. We're going to do 8 legs. First 2 legs 1 hour 10, next couple 1 hour 5, and the rest 1 hour, so with about 10-minute break in between and half an hour for lunch. All right, day 14. Let's see what today brings. Well, that's the end of day 15, or sorry, day 4. What day? I can't even remember what day it is. Whatever day today is. Beautiful, I think it's day 14. Beautiful sky, summer, or spring sky. There it is. Look at that sun setting. Really nice. Just set up camp, getting the water boiling, and yeah, just going to settle down for a meal. My hands are exposed and it is pretty damn cold, so I'm looking forward to getting inside and getting out of these clothes and getting into something warmer.